In this screencast, I'm going to show you one of the most important advanced searching techniques for effective searches. Even with the added synonyms and truncation, there's still room for improvement in this search. The problem with the search currently shown here in our search box is that it will only capture instances of pet therapy or animal therapy in that exact order. If you leave out the quotation marks, it will capture more variations, but you wouldn't have control over exactly what it is searching for. This increases the likelihood of missing relevant results, as oftentimes authors describe concepts more complexly than is expected. For example, there may be an article that uses the sentence therapy utilizing animals. Sometimes it can be helpful to use an adjacency operator, also known as a proximity operator, to force a relationship between each term while at the same time allowing wiggle room for different ways the terms might be expressed in a sentence. The adjacency operator isn't the same in every database, so if you aren't sure what the adjacency operator is in a database, this information is always available in the database's help section. In CINAHL, the adjacency operator we use is a capital N followed by a number. So if we apply this to our pet therapy example, it would look like this. This use of a proximity operator means that the database has been told to show us articles only where pet or animal appear within 2 words of truncated therapy, within each direction. As with all search strategies, it's important to look up the results and see if there's anything that needs to be changed in order to retrieve more relevant results. Some of the ways that you could do this is by increasing or decreasing the number used in the adjacency operator, searching more synonyms, or considering different truncations. You'll notice that I've also added brackets to this last search. Brackets have the same function in database searching as they do in math, which is order of operations. The brackets in this search tell the database to search first for pet near therapy, followed by animal near therapy, then tell me which articles contain one or the other. An understanding of brackets can also make your search even more efficient. For example, to search this query faster, I could do this instead. Now, if you navigate to your recent history tab, which is just here, you can see that both of the searches retrieved the same number of results. This is simply a more efficient way of doing it. In the next video, I'll show you how to combine lines from your search strategy.